I want a lollipop! Young man, what did I just say? You don't deserve a lollipop because you didn't behave right in the shoe store. I want the lollipop! I said no. Hey, what are you doing? Nothing. That was a close one, but at least I still have the footage. It'll be so funny when I put the video on YouTube. There, the video is now on YouTube. I hope I get more than 1,000 views on that video. Billy, come here, please. Coming. What is the meaning of this video on YouTube? What video? A boy throwing a tantrum. You're not allowed to upload videos that get little kids humiliated of their actions. Posting this content is a serious crime. You're gonna have to delete this video. It's not going on the site. Actually, it was already on the site about 1 month ago, and now there's 6,000 views. You mean you already made people seeing this video? Yes, that's what I'm really telling you. What the hell is your problem? You think you can get away with this? I don't think so. Say goodbye to that shitty video. You will never post this content on the site again, and you should ask permission before trying to record any people you don't know. Do you understand me? Huh? No, say it out loud. Yes, stop saying huh when I already answered you. Well, I will say huh if I have to, and nodding is not good enough. If you keep posting these type of videos on YouTube, your account will be gone forever. Now go to sleep. You're grounded until YouTube is no longer on the internet.